Recreate a version of this $700 sand dollar shadow box for only under $50. We are going to be using our 3 to 3.5 inch all natural sand dollars from Tumbler Home, a shadow box, as well as cloth from Hobby Lobby. We are using a dark blue cloth for the back in order to recreate the same look as seen in the Cailini Coastal shadow box. Naturally, this cloth had quite a few creases in it just due to the folding, so be sure to really pay close attention to this step as you attach it to the back. Be sure to pull the edges as tight as possible to smooth it out. If you are peculiar about it, you can always let it rest beforehand or use an iron to get out those creases. Once you have the back as you like it, I start by placing out the sand dollars and spacing them out so that I can make sure they're in the positions I'd like before I go ahead and glue them down. I start by just picking up each sand dollar and applying the glue to the back and securely placing them on the front. I am using the E600 translucent glue, which you can also find at your local craft store. If you prefer smaller sand dollars in order to have more displayed, you can always shop Tumbler Home's 2 to 2.5 inch sizes. Once all of the sand dollars have had time to dry and set in, go ahead and insert it into the frame. And there you have it, just under $50, your own sand dollar display.